Hi Ray, I've got a quick glitch to report. So I'm on the map page, and if I just make a change, so I might just move that marker a tiny bit and then click on the update button. Okay, there it is there. I get this Ajax error, and essentially you can have a read of it. But what I've worked out is that it relays the information. So the address Gerima Falls Lookout Walk, Queensland. That's the corrected address, and then talks about so it's the Gerima Falls. You can see your Gerima Falls, and this is information that's entered into the marker itself. So where the image can come from, the name of the marker, and the URL. Basically, this is a reflection of the first marker here. If I was to say get Murray Falls and just move it to the top of the list, this would say Murray Falls, and it would come up with an Ajax error once again. So it seems to be just it doesn't actually seem to be an Ajax. Well, there doesn't seem to be anything wrong with the Gerima Falls Lookout Walk marker. It's whatever marker is at the top here. So yeah, if you could just have a look and see what the issue is, and if we could get rid of this error response, that'd be great. Thank you, Ray. Cheers.